Hey guys, B.Rice with sKybizzare. Check these clouds out. I used my telescope to get these. It's like a mountaintop. I'm telling you, it's something truly bizarre right there. I've got a lot of good shots today and a lot of good video. Some highly charged clouds, storm clouds. I hope you guys enjoy. Just sit back and watch the video. There's two little clips right here right now. Sit back and take it easy and enjoy. B.Rice reporting. It is April 8th, 7:30 p.m. Check this cloud out, guys. This thing's amazing, isn't it? Whoa, check it out, honey.
It's so pretty.
Right?
Oh, look at this one. Look at those.
Whoa, it's like mountains.
Look at the pink.
Oh my goodness.
It's like a big marshmallow.
It's like the Lord's trying to tell us something.
Well, that one kind of looks like an angel right there.
Whoa.
Those are beautiful right there.
Whoa, so wild looking.
It's majestic looking.
Look, it's like something's coming out of that one. Oh, the bees are going wild.
Yeah, because they got a nest over here.
Pretty cool. These clouds right there, they're kind of doing like some kind of haze coming out of the... What's that? Whoa. Red sky.
It's a pink sky.
I know, but... Reddish pink sky.
Just having another baby.
Who?
Her neighbor.
Oh. Look at... Whoa, look right here, look right here. You can see it flowing through it. There's like a light source right there too. Man, it's like a soul. It really does.
Our garage looks so much better.
Thank you, Lord, for the footage we're receiving here, that we can show everybody in the world. Look at that. It's so amazing. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. Hey guys, B.Rice with the sKybizzare. sKybizzare. Check these clouds out here. I'm at my front yard right now. These are wild looking, I'm telling you. Just crazy. Beautiful though. Look at that right there. Look how the light moves underneath these clouds. And then bam, look at that. Man, that's beautiful. Whoa. Uh-oh, what just happened?